You can join your data to any layer in a map provided that you have a field in your data that matches one in the layer, such as a name, ID, or postal code. For example, I created a layer of sales territories in the Southeast United States, and I've labeled the territories with the territory names. And you can see that they're stored in the territory field in this layer. I have a separate Excel file that contains sales data for the territories. If I open the Excel file, I can join the Excel data to the layer by using the sales territory field that contains values that match the territory field in my layer by clicking the Join Data Views button. In the top half of the dialog box, you choose the map layer and the field to use. And in the bottom half, you choose the table and matching field. Notice Maptitude has already made a suggestion as to which field to use in the second field dropdown. Also note, the table does not have to be open to create the join view. If I click the table drop-down list, one of the options is File Open, where I can choose the file to join to the layer. When I click OK, Maptitude displays another data view of the joined data. The fields from the layer are on the left, and the fields from the Excel spreadsheet are on the right, and all of the fields can be used in a map now. For example, I can now make a theme on my territory layer with the quarterly sales data. You can also make formula fields using data from either or both sources. In this case, I'm going to use the Sum Fields option to quickly create a formula that sums all of the quarterly sales data. And I will call this formula field Total Sales. Now, Maptitude adds a theme illustrating the total sales in each territory. If you save the map, the joins will be saved with it. Similarly, you could save the data view so that the next time you open it, all of the data from the join will be in the data view. And that wraps up this tutorial on joining your data to a map.